So let me show you how you can create this soft pink eyeshadow look and add in that tiny amount of shimmer, and it gives you that beautiful definition which makes it perfect, especially if you have less lid space. It's super easy, very quick to do it as well. The products are also easily accessible and affordable. So let's start off. So I'm going to start with the Renee Halo eyeshadow palette. It's one of my most loved palettes, especially for creating pinky, mauvey toned colors, and it's just like really good quality. It blends like a dream. It's just super pigmented. The shimmers are extremely foiled as well. Such a good formulation, and this is the one we're going to be using today. I'm going to start off with this deep matte magenta color, and this is going to be the base color that we're going to be using. Pick it up on a pencil brush and start with the outer corner of the eye. Quickly go ahead and give it like a good layer of color. Make sure that your concealer is wet when you're going in with the matte eyeshadows. That way it remains super long lasting. You will not have any fallout as well. So just softly pat it completely across the lid because we want it to look really opaque. So once that's done, we're going to pick up this peachy toned pink, and we're going to use this as our transition color. So go ahead and start buffing out the edges, and you can see how quickly this color is just perfect to blend it out. This is going to ensure that it does not look chalky or gray, especially in the areas where you're blending it out. Just an amazing color. It's also perfect for an everyday look to wear it all across your lid. So go ahead and softly buff that into the area above the crease. And we're going to slowly use the same color on the lower lash line. This is going to give it a good base. And then I'm going to go in with the same deep magenta tone and create a little bit of depth in the lower lash line to balance out the drama on the lid. So this is going to ensure that you have some amount of definition on the lower lash line, keeping the entire upper and the lower lash line cohesive. And then we're going to move on to the Renee Everyday Eyeliner. It's a good staple matte eyeliner. The brush is super precise and thin, which makes it perfect for creating wing eyeliners. So we're going to go ahead and create this basic eyeliner first. All you need is just one swipe and you will be able to create this good, bold, intense liner. And then all you have to do is just go ahead and start extending it outwards parallel to your jawline. That way you can have the perfect shape for the wing. And then I'm going to use the Parul Garg Beauty's eyeliner. And this is like a Kajal pencil, and these are like shimmery Kajal pencils. It's just one of the most beautiful formulations I've used. It's very creamy. It does not lift the eyeliner when you are actually having some product underneath, and it gives you this beautiful one swipe application. So you can see with just a little amount of Kajal, it already has this good intense rich purple color coming through. So we're going to go ahead and apply that only on the inner 2/3 of the eyeliner. I'm leaving the wing more on the black side, and I'm trying to make my wing a little more thicker on the upper side. That way a little bit of black is also seen there as like a border for the purple. And then I'm going to go ahead with the duochrome purple eyeshadow from the palette, and we're going to softly pat that on top of the kajal, exactly in the bullet of the eye, the middle part of your eye. So you're kind of creating a spotlight wing and giving it a little more attention too. So jumping into the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, you all know this is my favorite mascara. We're going to go ahead and give it a good 2 to 3 coats of mascara and kind of work in the inner parts of your lashes as well. That way it gives it a good lift. Coat all the way from the roots till the ends of your lashes and wriggle your brush as you go in through to avoid any clumping, especially in the second and the third coat that you're doing. Use only one coat on the lower lash line because we don't want that to become droopy and heavy. We want the drama more on the lid. So jumping ahead, I'm going to use the Pankh Ace of Lashes, and this one is the style Quartz. These are like particularly really short in the inner corner, kind of like those foxy eyelashes, and I'm going to be using the Pankh Lash Glue alongside with it. This is going to be perfect if you want that lifted look without adding in way too much weight towards the inner corner, especially if you have less space in that area. So go ahead and secure the lashes on your lid, and this is the completed look. So there is a sale on all the products that I've used today, and I'm linking them in the description bar below for you, along with the shades as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye bye.